So after 2 years, I finally got a new PEI plate for my Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, but I got this issue which says the build plate marker was not detected. Now this is what the marker looks like on the Bambu Lab engineering plate, and there are these QR codes at the bottom which help it identify which plate it is. But on the new plate, the marker is hardly visible. The solution is to attach those QR codes that are at the bottom. You print them out on a piece of paper, stick it to a tape, but where do you place it? This is where we print out this placement template so that you know where the QR code goes. Now use this to place the QR code at the right location. And once you've attached it, no issues, happy printing.